Hi guys, welcome to JULLIY. As you know,
We're,
we're at the
we're in downtown car show, and I'm in a car right now. You want to see? Push the button and they light up.
wow, and look at the blue lines on it. Push it again. Wow, nice. What do you think about this car?
Good.
You like
Love
it? You love it. Nice.
Like the take off?
Brum, brum, brum.
You'll see another car.
So we're going on a big ride on one of the longest escalators that we've been on to the third floor to see the auto show. Dun dun dun.
And we're outside the top right now. I feel a bit scared of heights.
Yeah, it's okay. Daddy's here. So what do you think?
It's good. I love it.
Oh, nice.
And all of the cars are so cute.
Oh, okay.
I guess you guys can try on. Now we're going to go on another level.
Oh, look at this. Now we got the minis.
Hey,
Look at this.
Your favorite color, green.
Green. This is the car for you because you know why? Who drives it?
Why?
Mr. Bean drives it. You want to try it in?
Yep.
Okay, let's go. Oh, look at that. A seat.
To go in the back.
Okay.
And I have my stand. Me too.
How does it feel back there?
Not that comfortable.
Not that comfortable. There you guys have it. The leg room on a 3.5 foot 3.5 foot tall person. It's not much.
Yeah, but let's check out.
But
the
let's
front.
check the front.
Just in case it feels
But it's a nifty little piece of electronic here. Wow, look at that.
Ready?
Yeah? Wow. Looks like you're laying down.
Not that comfortable.
Not that comfortable. And we have, look at the odometer. It's all standard odometer, eh?
And yeah.
Wow, look at
You
that.
see?
Nice.
My way through. And imagine there was a swimming pool. Because I usually swim my rooftop. Imagine there was a swimming pool. Like break the glass window. And I can jump in the pool.
Yeah. And in the background, we have the Parliament Hill, one of the oldest buildings in Canada. What do you think about
We
that?
live in Canada.
Yes, we do.
Not your country.
Cool, eh?
Yep. I know, right?
Oh, I know, right? That's good.
Gas was invented before plastic.
Glass was invented before plastic?
Yeah.
Watch out, don't close the
It
door,
was-
don't close the door.
It was invented. Some people say it was invented. Gas was invented in Egypt.
Oh, yeah?
Yep. Long time ago.
Oh.
No one knows who even like how to make gas. The
Oh.
first one that started all this.
So, how did they make glass? How did they make glass?
So it's sand, and they heat sand in a type of oven, and the machine makes it flat, and with a popsicle stick, you stick them on, and it's kind of like honey, and you can use your fingers to make a shape, like a swan.
Like a swan, that's right.
You can
Good
just
job.
make toast.
Look at this. As you guys can tell, Mini Coopers always have our heart.
Yeah. I wonder if there's a black car just like ours. Because we have a car with TVs on the car seats. It's really fun.
That's right.
Yep.
What are you doing?
I have fire. And it's actually white, yellow. This is the cafeteria side. Here, you already coming on? Come on.
Okay. Look at this. This is nice. You like what you see?
Look at that mini shop.
Oh, look at that. And they have emblems of cars.
We'll send a magical button.
Yeah.
And you could change the language if you don't understand.
That's
In
right.
French or Chinese, whatever language you like to. Not even English.
Yeah. And we have an Iron Man
And a little cute little puppy.
and a cute little puppy who's at work. So here's the rusted bike.
Here it is.
Ferric oxide, one of our favorite friends. Some of us don't like it because it makes our metals not shiny anymore. But it gives us age.
And
And
this is my style. Sparkles everywhere, shining from the sun. There's sparkles on the seat and also on the wheels. Yup.
on the front fender, look at that. That is a nice close-up.
And there's some pretty lights. Hold on. You can't really see.
And it's got a 4-stroke engine in it.
So you can't really see it.
It's gorgeous.
Do it.
Chucky, one of our favorite heroes.
Chubby cheek.
Childhood. Chubby cheeks. Look at this bike. Look at the artwork on it. And the front wheels. Oh my goodness. This?
And look, somebody coming out of the ground.
Yeah, no hands, no hands. No hands. See with your eyes, not with your hands.
Look how precious this is.
This is precious. More sparkly Hot Wheels. Now these are the guys who make our tiny little Hot Wheel cars.
Yup. And I have a working one.
And yeah, working electricity.
Dad, if I take your picture, put her in there.
Oh, and it's like 2 circles around, okay?
There is mini cars, so cool. You can see there's mini cars. I'm ready to take.
So the idea is she gets to keep on pressing and then it
Yeah.
picks up speed.
Okay, okay.
Yeah,
Keep,
yeah.
if you keep on pressing, it'll go faster.
Don't be afraid. But don't push too hard.
Turn on the headlights first.
Oh,
Yeah,
nice.
now
Okay,
you go.
okay.
Cool, watch.
Bye.
There you go. Keep on going. Ah,
Keep pushing, babe.
It has like a safety feature where it slowly starts and it picks up.
Oh, okay, okay. Keep pushing.
Alright.
And here she comes. Yeah, keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing. Try to hit me. Okay. Nice, and then go again. Good job.
Guide into the turn.
Make sure they don't bump.
Exactly.
Look at you, natural. And here she comes. Oh no. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Nice. Way to go. Are you good?
Now I'm going to do another one.
After dinner.
This is so fun.
So tell me about the door. Does it open? Brianna,
Yup, it's done.
what do you mean it opens?
Look at this.
Oh, on the outside? Check the outside.
Well, see here, there's a button, a secret button here. You go this way and you pull it up.
What? Oh my goodness.
And it has a horse on it.
And it has a horse on it. Wow.
Cool.
Cool. Oh. Yep.
Keep putting your feet on it. Foot on it.
Keep going, keep going. Hold it down, hold it down. Hold it down. Keep going, hold it down, hold it down. Yeah.
That was fun. Just do it again.
Yeah, you got it? You got it? It's straight. There you go. Good job, good job. Keep going, keep going. Keep going. And turn, turn. Keep going. Push it down. Good job.
Let's do it again.
Good job.
I want to do it a million times.
Yep, after dinner, yeah?
Oh, man.
Good job. Way to go. Yeah, and then go backwards. And then go backwards.
Like go to all.
Straight Rio. Way to go. Good job, babe. You gonna park it? Nice. Wow, look at all these cars. Wow, look at that. It's got a step to get in, eh? What do you think?
So, is it? Oh, it does.
Yeah.
Hi, sir.
Hi.
How do you feel?
So, what do you think?
Hey everyone, I did it! It's so much fun, right? Seeing so much cars, so shiny and beautiful.
What do you think about this car? Oh, it has a stepping stool. Look at that. Yes. No, it's not. It's not an electric car. There we have the Jag.
We have to check off.
What do you think?
Like it.
Is it?
Yeah. Like, subscribe, and comment. And always be happy. Alex misses you.
Woohoo!
And happy good day. Yeah. Good morning, everyone.